I'm Syndi Zaiger.
And I'm Jill Fusillo with Nest.
And we sell luxury real estate in coastal North Shore and Cape Ann.
As you probably know, there's a real inventory crunch right now.
So I woke up the other morning and I had a fire in me that we needed to find some homes in Manchester by the Sea that our clients could purchase. We needed to find sellers and we needed to find it fast. I called Jill. Jill, we have got to put our heads together and think about who could list their house in the next few weeks.
And we got two.
We're standing here in our first listing at 38 School Street in Manchester by the Sea.
Set in the heart of Manchester by the Sea, this home offers 4 or 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and is completely move-in ready. The kitchen is dreamy with custom cabinets, marble countertops, spacious island, and our absolute favorite feature, an awesome pantry to keep those countertops clutter-free. The bright living room with fireplace and dining room open up to a large deck which overlooks your own private outdoor space.
The home was built by Wild Apple. This company has built numerous luxury homes in the area and are known to be the gold standard in construction and design. You could tell by the generous sized stairwell and crown molding throughout.
The 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms are all gorgeous, as well as the top floor that can be used as a family room, guest suite, exercise room, or office. You name it. Whatever is going to best fit your life.
This home has all the amenities you are looking for. 2-car garage with Tesla charging station, a mudroom, the list goes on and on. But really the best part of this home is life in Manchester by the Sea. You have boating, you have singing beach lifestyle, you have Tux Point, you have mountain biking, the list goes on and on.
Come see 38 School Street. This house is gonna go fast.